and welcome. Today we're going to do an open house with 1814 Mount Holly Road. This is a great starter home in Rock Hill, South Carolina. My name is Lynn Glasgow and I'm with the Miller Realty Group. And if you have any questions or concerns while we're doing the open house, please feel free to text me or call me at 803-984-7333. Or you can email me at lynn@carmensmiller.com. And I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. This home is such an awesome home. It is a manufactured home. It is off frame, sits on a foundation, but it is so unique. It has a basement, which has a workshop in it, and it has tons of storage underneath. It has a awesome manicured landscaping. Sits on a little over an acre of land, and it is just a great property. So without further delay, let me get you to the open house. So this is the walkway up to the main entrance. And as you can tell, it is just so cute. It's got pea gravel walking up to the entrance. It does have a large deck on the other side of the steps going up to the entranceway. On the other side of the deck, I will tell you it has a nice little tranquil pond with beautiful blooming azaleas over there. You can see it's got a crepe myrtle right there at your entranceway. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful place for you to sit out and enjoy nature. So here is the main entrance to the home. As you can tell, you've got lots of windows for natural light to come into the house. Just a great, great home. Here is the deck. As you can see, those beautiful azaleas that I was talking about. And as you can tell, the deck is very large, so it can actually fit 2 tables. So you can have lots of family and friends out here for entertaining, have those great cookouts, and just everything. Again, this is just a bigger angle of the front yard for the property. This is the back of the property. It shows you the covered deck off of the back of the home. It also shows you the sidewalk, which leads around to the basement, and that is the wood sidewalk. But you've got a great covered deck to sit out and enjoy the afternoons. This is towards the back of the property, so you can have a nice fire back there, sit and enjoy the late fall or spring afternoons. You've got some nice wisteria growing. This is the pond that I was telling you about up front. It's got azaleas, you've got some cow lilies, just beautiful landscaping. This is the covered deck. Great, you could put a hammock out here, enjoy a nice nap on a lazy Sunday afternoon. It's big enough, you've got room for a picnic table. So nice to enjoy the rain on a rainy day with that tin roof. So here is the main living area of the home. It's got a gas fireplace. You've got some built-ins over there. You've got an accent wall. This is another angle of the main living room. And this is just looking back from the kitchen back towards the towards the entranceway. So when you open the door, you do have a big enough little foyer area before you enter into the living quarters. This is the dining area. So you've got a nice big area for a table. And then you've got the sliding glass doors that lead out to the deck. You can tell it does open up into your kitchen. And then this is the kitchen. I love the light over the kitchen. I love how they've decorated with the shutters over the light. You do have the island that will seat two. You've got tons of cabinets and lots of cabinet countertop space. You've got stove, range, dishwasher. This just shows you how much room you do have in this kitchen. This is the master bedroom. You can tell it's got a great blue accent wall. And this is the master bathroom. Very long vanity, so you've got lots of area to put some things. This is the second bedroom. And this is your third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom that they use as a music room. This is the second bathroom. It is the tub shower combo. So again, there also is a large laundry room on the other side of the dining room with a pantry area, and the back entrance is also through that laundry room that wasn't shown in the video. So there's a lot of great other things to be seen with this house. Again, the address is 1814 Mount Holly Road. It's perfect access to I-77. There is 1944 square feet in this house. It is a manufactured home. It is all frame. Like I said, it's very unique that it does sit on a basement that has a workshop under there with extra storage space. This is definitely something that you do not want to miss out on seeing. It does sit on a little over an acre of land. So please give me a call at 803-984-7333, or you can email me at lynn@carmensmiller.com. And again, my name is Lynn Glasgow, and I'm with Miller Realty Group, and I look forward to hearing from you.